Hey, so as you can see, so if I ever try to, let's see, plug it in, hold on a second. So the red light doesn't come on when I plug it in, just sort of wiggle around. And make sure the red light is on the brightest, otherwise if it's a fainted red light, it does not charge. So sort of have to hold it like that, and you can see it's sort of like wiggly, like the port is sort of wiggly. And so usually I have to do this and have like the object put on here so that it keeps pulling down so that it can actually charge. And I have to like have it positioned like that until it's fully charged. So that's the problem. Pretty much just this port has become loose like all of devices are. I'm just yeah. And as for the default cable, it it used to work until a few days ago. I will charge it as usually are, but then like I leave it for a while and it just won't charge. And then I tried cable on my phone, and it won't charge my phone either. So maybe the default cable is slightly loose also, like I don't know, but the cable is not much important. It's the port is just really hard to charge. Like who knows, maybe later on it will just be completely loose and chargeable.